So the recipe I'm making is a beef burger with fries and salad and an amazing chocolate shake for sweet lovers. My recipe has just the right ingredients to cure malnutrition. The bun and fries have carbs, the beef has protein which helps in building bones and muscles. The salad has added just a little green color to my dish. It has also added calcium, potassium and vitamin C to my recipe. So without wasting any time, let's start on with the task. Okay, now over here we have 1 kg minced beef. And the ingredients are over here. This is soya sauce, chopped garlic, red chili powder, Chinese salt, this is black pepper, salt and oil. Okay, now I'm going to add the ingredients. First I'm going to add oil. It is about 2.5 tablespoons. And now we are going to add the soya sauce. It is about also 2 tablespoons. Now we should add the salt and black pepper according to your taste. Now we are going to add 4 pieces of garlic which are chopped. Now we are going to add about half teaspoon of red chili powder, or we should add about 1. Now we are going to add about 2 pinch of Chinese salt. These are all the ingredients. Now I'm going to start mixing the ingredients with the beef. You've got to do it gently. And make sure you have to wear a glove. Now I'm going to make the patty out of it. Look over here, it's so good right now. Look over here, it's very good. I'm just going to put it on a plate. Pan is lit now and I'm now going to put a patty over it. The best thing is that there is no oil used over here, so it's a very healthy food. Now look, so beautiful it's looking, the patty. Look, it's also changing color to its brown. While it's cooking, we should go and make the chocolate milkshake. Now let's make a healthy yet delicious drink. First of all, we will add some milk as it's a good source for calcium. Then we are going to add 1 scoop of any ice cream you like to enhance the flavor of the shake. Then we are going to add about 1 tablespoon of honey as it is rich in antioxidants. And now we are going to add some shredded dark chocolate as it is way healthier than normal chocolate. Blend all the things together. As the patty is just going to be cooked, I'm going to put my cheese over it so it can melt. Now look over here, we have some oil over it so I can saute my onions. Now let's start assembling our burger together. I've created a special sauce which includes ketchup, mayonnaise and mustard paste. I will spread some sauce on the bun. Now I will put the patty and place it over the bun. Let's put some lettuce on the burger to add a green color to it. Again, spread some sauce on the other half of the bun. And now we should place it over our burger. Our burger is ready. Now let's assemble everything together. I have assembled everything together. Here is a simple salad consisting of cucumbers, tomatoes and cabbage, as vegetables are also very good for health. I have also fried some potato french fries, as potatoes are rich in carbohydrates. Here is our beef burger and an amazing drink. Enjoy your meal.